Good morning. It's just gone 9 o'clock in sunny downtown Toronto, and there are a couple of things I want to do today, food related, and I'm actually hungry, so I am going to go and find myself some breakfast. First thing I have to do is cross this road, which sometimes in Toronto, easier said than done. There's a lot of cars, but I am going there. St. Lawrence Market. Go to try out something local, a local delicacy for breakfast. This is why I came here. House Bakery, home of the world famous, I'd never heard of it before, Peameal Bacon on a bun. That's what I want. That's what I'm going to get. Here it is, the apparently world famous Peameal Bacon on a bun. It's a bun. Thick bacon. Honey mustard. Apparently this is a local Toronto delicacy, so I'm going to try it. That's so good. Might go get another one. Although I've only just started, I think this is going to fill me up pretty good. Don't watch me eat. I'll be back. Right now it's coffee time.
And it'll be coming up just on
Oh, cool, thank you.
medium latte.
Trying the maple black walnut latte, seasonal special.
And you maple black walnut.
That's fine, thank you very much. This is my seasonal black syrup. No, it's my seasonal maple syrup black walnut latte. Get me going for the day. So this is St. Lawrence Market in Toronto. It's such a cool little place. You could spend all day here eating, just walking around, eat a bit more, walk around a bit more, eat a bit more. There's so much food in there, both cooked, ready to eat, and fresh meats, vegetables. Something I miss about living in the UK is just going to the market, going to the fruit and veg store, going to the butchers and getting everything fresh. You have to get it from the supermarket right at the door. You see, the nice thing about having nowhere to be is that I have nowhere to be. I can just walk. And this here is a boardwalk. And there's lots of cool restaurants and cafes and bars, and I can imagine in the summer this is absolutely rammed. Now it's quiet, but I can imagine when it's sunny and warm, this place is absolutely battered. This is the Harbourfront Boardwalk, and behind me, up there, you can see the CN Tower, which I'm not going to go up because I've been up the tower in Auckland, I've been up the tower in Calgary, Malaysia. So you've been up one tape, been up them all. Tell you what, there's a lot of high-rise blocks here, condos and apartments and stuff, and I'm not really a city person, but I do like places like this where there always seems to be something going on. Even now, the end of October, there's a lot of people, not packed like tourist season, there's a lot of people just walking along streets, cycling, out and about, lots of parks. It's pretty here. I can imagine Toronto's a real fun place to be in the summer. This is food stop number 2, BeaverTail's. Can I get a apple pie?
Apple pie BeaverTail, sure.
Little apple pie and Diet Coke, cans?
Yes, we have milk bottles.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah. So this. Apple pie BeaverTail. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So it's like a big, I don't know, deep fried donut. Big one. Look. And this one has apple pie, but you can get all sorts of flavors. You can get, I got one yesterday with maple syrup, and you get cinnamon, strawberry cheesecake, all these flavors. But anyway, I'm wasting my time. I need to eat this thing now. Just like that. The BeaverTail is gone. Except the mess on my fingers. Excellent. Toronto delicacy. If you're ever in Toronto, you have to try the BeaverTail. So check this out. This is Muji. When you go upstairs, there's something pretty special up there. Let's go see. This is Jarvis. And in a minute, Jarvis is going to make me coffee. Seriously.
You can order drinks on the kiosk or the Artley Coffee app.
Okay, thank you.
Well, Chef, your latte is ready.
Thank you very
Looking
much.
forward to your next visit.
Thanks. You have a good day, Jarvis. Even cleans, look.
Enjoy your drink.
Thank you. So that was Jarvis, the robot barista, upstairs at Muji. There we have it. Latte made by a robot. He's pretty good. That guy's pretty good. Right, it's 10:30 at night, and I'm just going to my last food stop of the day, of this trip. It's the World Food Market. International food galore. You got Indian, you got Chinese, you got Suriname, Italian. Any international food you want, you can probably get it here. Whoa. I don't know what to get. I'm spoiled for choice here. Spoiled for choice. Hey, how are you? Can I get a butter chicken poutine, please? So I ordered this butter chicken poutine. It's a Toronto delicacy. Not really delicacy, but it's like fries and yeah, I don't know. It looks good though, so that's what I'm gonna have. It's my last Toronto meal of the day. So I'm still waiting for my food. I'm hungry. I swear I could smell this place a mile away. It's just like the smell just oozes through the air of Toronto all the way to my Airbnb. So I had to come and get it. I had to come and get some here. Thank you, my friend. You have a good evening. All right, I got it. Thanks. This thing is heavy. Oh, here it is. Butter chicken poutine. It's French fries with a cheese curd and then butter chicken. It's hot. I can't wait to get started on this. This looks amazing. Oh my god, it is amazing. I'm defeated, so this beauty of a bowl of food is going back to my room with me. Hopefully I can finish it before I leave in the morning. So this is me checking out from my day of stuffing myself with food in Toronto. mate.